Hello, I am John Swigert, and I am a cyborg scientist and author of the Swigert Theory of Everything AO. Following our meteorological baseline, we now extend the Dish Sentinel Network into a continental to global passive bistatic radar capable of tracking unidentified aerial phenomena. The millions of fixed Q-band consumer dishes already monitoring weather are sensitive to brief forward scatter and micro-attenuation events caused by discrete reflective objects crossing the beam. These signals illuminate a narrow conical volume extending from the surface to over 500 kilometers in altitude. Any object with a significant radar cross-section will produce a detectable signature. At typical noise figures, our system is sensitive enough to detect metallic spheres as small as 6 to 8 centimeters. These objects produce perturbations lasting anywhere from 5 to 120 seconds. Fast-moving targets generating speeds up to 3,000 meters per second create unambiguous Doppler shifts. These are easily resolvable using 1-second coherent integration with inexpensive SDR hardware. We have established 3 upgrade tiers. Level 0 is pure software, zero added cost. The baseline Storm Scout app flags anomalous events by cross-checking against local precipitation data. Level 1 adds inexpensive SDRs for real-time Doppler reporting. Level 2 utilizes dual-channel coherent hardware to provide direct bistatic range and single-station velocity vectors. Using multi-station time difference of arrival and Doppler triangulation, the network yields real-time 3D tracks with positional accuracy between 0.5 and 2 kilometers. For example, a target at 20 kilometers altitude crossing beams near Pittsburgh would trigger nodes across a 300-kilometer swath, producing a confirmed track within 40 seconds. The DSN UAP extension is optimized for fast transiting metallic or plasma-containing objects. It is specifically designed to resolve abrupt velocity and direction changes. To mitigate false alarms, we use automated exclusion layers. We cross-reference ADS-B flight data, known satellite passes, and high-altitude balloon registries in real time. Every anomaly packet is cryptographically signed. Tracks require confirmation from 3 geographically distinct stations before public release, ensuring the highest standards of data integrity. This system is globally scalable. Every major satellite region uses identical hardware. We are explicitly targeting the millions of dishes destined for landfills for reactivation. We invite the global scientific and amateur radio communities to fork and harden this open-source radar commons. This capability is now unconditionally in the hands of the volunteer community. By adding less than 400 lines of code, the DSN becomes the largest civilian passive radar array on Earth. We are ready to detect and archive the unexplained. If you like this video, you'll find many more just like and additional reading material waiting for you on our TikTok, this YouTube channel, the homepage tstoeao.com, and especially ivorytowerjournal.com. As well as Spotify, TikTok, Facebook, X, and everywhere online. Remember TSTOEAO. We also have full podcast versions of every episode under the same name, TSTOEAO. Come join us. The next collapse of the old paradigm drops in 48 hours. See you there.